Hi there, welcome to a drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a blue crab. So here you can see that I'm using my blue pen to draw a blue crab. I think I should use my pencil before. Yeah, now I can use my blue pen. This is its eyes. Now I will draw its heart and sharp hands and legs. And I'm following the same thing in both sides. And I'm drawing its back legs. To do the coloring, I'm using the same blue colored pen. And I'm using my cyan pen. I'm using my cyan highlighter pen. Little bit of red color. I'm drawing its antenna with my blue pen. I should use my blue pen again. My drawing is done. Thank you so much for watching.